Alright guys, so I did a thing today. I put a awning on the Rubicon. It looks good. Look at that. Look at that. It actually comes with the shade and all of that stuff that comes with it. I just brought it out because I just installed it. Now I'm testing it out. I'll show you what I do on the roof, on how I was able to install it on the roof. Let me show you. So I was able to install a rail that I got from Home Depot. I just put it on top and bolt it down, and it works perfectly. So as you see, I was just trying to measure it to see what I need to put on there and how far I need to go. So that's the after, and this is how the awning look when it's hanging. And I came out here to test it out today, so this is what it looks like. And if you look at this right here, there you go. And that's what it looks like. Nothing crazy, just a couple of bolts bolted down. And later on I'm gonna have some more solar panel on here. Yeah, that's it.